Welcome back to Suzie Anderson Home. Today I'm excited to share our top tips for re-energizing your home. Whether you're feeling uninspired or wish to breathe new life into your space, these simple adjustments will help you revitalize your space with ease. Identify the source of low energy in your home. Before we cover the solutions, it's important to understand why your home might feel lackluster. Common culprits include clutter, uninspired decor, environmental stressors, or even a style that no longer reflects your personal taste or lifestyle. Once you've identified the issue, it's much easier to make impactful changes. So let's get started. Refresh your colour palette. Colour is one of the easiest elements to change when updating the look and feel of your home. But beyond its visual impact, colour also affects us on a deeper subconscious level. According to colour psychology, colours like blues, greens and purples have a calming, soothing effect. While warm colours, reds, oranges and yellows, tend to be more energising and stimulating. Neutrals such as whites, beiges and greys act as versatile backdrops, providing balance, simplicity and a sense of sophistication. Whether you choose to introduce colour on a larger scale through paint, wallpaper, area rugs, window treatments or upholstery, or opt for a simpler approach by switching out neutral cushion covers or throws for bolder accent colours or lively patterns, introducing new colours can instantly transform the look and feel of a room. Maximise the impact of lighting. Next, layered lighting is key to making a space feel more comfortable, functional and inviting. Proper lighting allows us to perform daily tasks, makes us feel safer and helps us enjoy our home to its fullest potential. For example, natural daylight not only brightens a room, but also enhances mood and energy. It's essential for regulating our circadian rhythm, which affects hormone levels, body temperature, and more. In addition, well-placed artificial lighting can also be transformative. A combination of ambient, task, accent and mood lighting helps ensure your home feels warm, functional and inviting, regardless of the time of day. Rearrange for a fresh perspective. One of the most effective ways to refresh your home is by experimenting with your existing furniture layout. A new arrangement that suits the size and shape of your room can revitalize both the appearance and the energy flow within the space. For example, repositioning key pieces or introducing a new focal point can create a sense of freshness. Similarly, this principle applies to your decor. Consider shopping your home by moving items between rooms and curating new vignette combinations. This approach not only revitalizes your space, but also fosters creativity and inspires new design ideas. Add depth with textural variety. Next, variety is essential when designing a space that feels dynamic and engaging. In interior design, it's about using different visual elements to create interest, contrast, and movement within a room. These little surprises catch the eye and keep the mind engaged. By combining soft and hard, smooth and rough elements, you create a balanced and layered space that feels rich and interesting. The key is layering these elements so they complement rather than compete. Incorporate natural elements with biophilic design. Bringing nature indoors is one of the simplest and most effective ways to re-energize your home. The concept of biophilia taps into our innate connection with the natural world, helping us feel more grounded and rejuvenated. Adding plants, flowers, and natural materials such as wood, stone, or rattan can help foster a sense of calm and vitality. If your home has a garden, balcony, or nature view, prioritize the spaces that blend the indoors and outdoors, like patios or large windows that bring in natural light, as they can help us feel even closer to the environment. We recommend watching our video titled Interior Design for Wellbeing for more ideas. If you're enjoying the video so far, please like the video and subscribe, as it allows us to keep creating more videos like this one. Optimize your home's temperature and air quality. Next, a comfortable indoor climate is essential for maintaining energy and productivity. For instance, if a room becomes too hot, it can lead to weariness and make us feel sleepy. On the other hand, overcooling can leave us feeling restless and unable to relax. In addition to air conditioning and heating systems, select your soft furnishings for their breathability and warmth across different seasons, as it will help create a comfortable environment. Finally, don't underestimate the power of sound and scent in shaping how your home feels. Sound is often an overlooked element in design, but it plays a crucial role in how we feel within our homes. Soft background music or natural sounds like running water can create a serene atmosphere, while disruptive noise can have the opposite effect. The materials in your home greatly impact how sound behaves. Soft materials like rugs, curtains and upholstered furniture help absorb disruptive sounds, creating a calm and serene atmosphere. Similarly, incorporating subtle home fragrances, whether through candles, diffusers or fresh flowers, adds an extra layer of comfort and luxury. For example, lavender can promote relaxation, citrus scents can be invigorating, and eucalyptus can be refreshing. Thank you so much for watching. As you can see, with a few thoughtful updates, whether it's refreshing your colour palette, rearranging your furniture, or adding a touch of nature, you can breathe new life into your space. Please like the video and subscribe, and remember, when designing a home you love, the beauty is in the detail.